What is up guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna start the process of detailing. First thing first, I want to debadge the car. Before that, please take a moment to smash that subscribe button down there. And without any further saying, let's do some work. So today we're gonna try to debadge the car. So we're gonna remove this and this. Now because I don't have a heat gun, the solution to that, hot water. I'm not sure it's gonna work. There's only one way to find out. Let's do this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean the area. This is actually very bad. The condition better remove it. So wipe the area. This simply hot water. I want the glue to get a bit warm, so it's easier to remove later. So that's warm. Let's see if it's actually pretty easy. Was easy. I'm using this is a trim remover, is plastic. I'm not gonna do more because I'm going to do a two-stage polishing in car. So this little residue, you can see the, I don't know if you can see it with the phone, but there is like you can actually read here. I'm pretty sure with the polishing machine it's gonna just disappear. So let's go on and do the other two. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Hot water. So don't boil the water, it may damage the paint. Hot water, definitely. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. Just leave you. I'll just leave you here on the floor and see what's happening.
Somebody to hold, but it's never the same.
I feel that hot water works better than the glue remover, or maybe I'm just using the wrong product. Let's continue. This came pretty crappy. Hopefully So you can see a little bit difference between, you can see X1 actually. This something is gonna disappear with the after the polishing. So this is just step one. Let's do the third and the last one. Check this out, guys. I got something for you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bomb. You play. You like that. It's gonna be awesome. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. Let's get back to work. Ran out of hot water. I'm gonna do basically just one of them. Easy as that. You need it? That's it. So again, you can see a little bit of writing behind. Keep in mind this is a 11 years old car, 10 years old I guess, 10, almost 11, and this may happen, and you can remove this with some polishing machine, which I'm going to do next Friday, so I'm not really worried about that. We did it. Half an hour. Let me switch. Still I can read a little bit of glue. It's gonna disappear after the polishing. Let's do a work around. Man, it looks awesome. I love it. I just love it. It's awesome. Yeah, definitely. Much better. The badging process is finished. I had no idea what to do, I'll be honest with you. Yes, of course I watched some YouTube videos, but they all come with this heat gun. I don't have one, I don't want to buy one for the time being. I probably buy one in the future. But this hot water thing, it kind of works. It makes the glue very soft. So don't say consider it, but just look what I've done. There are some residue on the paint, as you can see, but now we're gonna polish it and that is gonna all disappear. I think it's gonna be a wrap for today's episode. Make sure to turn on the notification bell and see you next time. Peace. You know, still embarrassing when people walk around when you're doing something, recording on camera.